Good evening, friends. Sorry, I think initial video does not has the voice. So today I'm going to discuss a very important CSAT topic. That is, I will discuss previous year's questions in this lecture series of CSAT. We will try to understand that how to solve the CSAT questions, which are basically from the mathematics. Today I will discuss one question from the mathematics. So in this lecture series we will be solving CSAT questions which have been asked by the UPSC in paper 2 of the prelims examination. So let's try to understand this question. This question has been asked from the percentages topic, right? So you are required to understand the topic first, because from which part of the syllabus from the CSAT the question has been asked. This is the basically percentages. So let's read the question and then try to solve these questions. Let's find out that what is the answer to it. So the price P of a commodity is first increased by K%. As we know that the price of the commodity is P. Price is P. And the price is increased by K%. First it is increased by K%. Then decreased by increased, then K% decreased, again increased by K% and again decreased by K%. So basically there is a successive changes in the percentage. That is, you have to identify that. Understanding the question in CSAT paper is very, very important. As you see that until and unless you don't find the logic in CSAT paper questions, you won't be able to solve them within the time frame. The questions are not that much difficult, but once you find the logic in the question, it becomes very easy for you to solve the question, right? So first you need to identify the logic within the question, that there is a price P of a commodity and it is increased by K%, then decreased, then increased, then decreased. So there is a successive changes in the percentage. This is the situation that is happening within the question. And once the last percentage is changed, the new price that comes out, it is Q. So we started from P and then we reached to the Q. And ultimately, within the question, there is a logical sequence which has been given to us. Now we will see that we have to find the relation. So we have to solve that logical relationship so that we find out one of the answers which is given in the question itself, right? So initially the price P is K% increased. So P plus, initially it is P plus P into K by 100. So something is increased by K%, that is of P into K by 100. So there is a change of K%. K of K% of P. So actually I written it in a very wrong way, but you just understand that the K percentage of P, that is P into K by 100. Now this become the new price. This become, after change in K%, this become the new price. Now this is the new price, but K comes out when we done the fourth change in percentage. This is we done first change in percent. First change. This is the first change. Let's go with the second. Now K% decreased of this. So this is P plus P into K. Let's first solve it. Initially the price was P and now it becomes K by 100 of P. This is the first percentage change within the price P. Now let's see that what it comes out. We will take P as common and 1 plus K by 100. It will be P 100 plus K by 100. Oversimplification, this comes out to be the next price after the change, K percentage change in the price. We done this percentage. Now let's do this percentage. This is the second percentage change. So P 100 plus K divided by 100 plus K by 100 of P 100 plus K divided by 100. So this is the next price after, sorry, this should be decreased. This is minus because K percentage is decreased. Now let's simplify this. So we will take P out and 100 plus K divided by 100, 100 plus K divided by 100 P, this will come out as common. P 100 plus K divided by 100 and then 1 minus K by 100. So we can write it as P 100 plus K divided by 100, 100 minus K divided by 100. So what we will do, this is just like A square plus B square. So it will come out as P divided by 10 की power 4 and 100 square minus K square, right? So this is the next price. After that, let's do the again increase K percentage. So this value will be same it is as it is, P divided by 10 की power 4, 100 square minus K square, 1 plus K divided by 100. Just see the pattern. P is always taken as common. So the price which was initially there, it was always taken as common. So we can take it as common and rest of them can be under bracket, right? So just see the pattern. Same here, same here. The P price, this P is taken common and 1 minus K by 100. K percentage decreased. So K percentage increased. So again we can say that K percentage, the final K percentage was decreased. So this is the price. This can be taken common, 1 minus K by 100, right? So this is same as A square minus B square. We are using identity. So over here we can write it as P 10 की power 4 plus 4 8, 100 square minus K square, 100 square minus K square. So see, and now within the question this is given as Q. This is given as Q. So this is the new price after 4 successive changes in the percentages. First the percentage was increased, then decreased, then increased, then again decreased. Now you see that this is the Q price after 4 successive changes. Now these two terms are the same. We can merge them. So it will finally come out P divided by 10 की power 8, 100. We can write 100 as 2, 10 की power 2 to 4 minus K square का whole square equal to Q. Now you can see that if we take this 10 की power over here, we cross multiply it will be like 10 की power 8. So this is the final equation that we have come out. Now we can identify that P 10 की power 4 minus k square का whole square q into 10 की power 8. So A is the correct answer. So by learning the techniques or by understanding the concepts, both are different things. If you think that we can develop shortcuts, techniques so that we can solve the questions, but my dear friend, it comes only after when you have understood the concept very fundamentally. It is not easy to use tools and techniques in all the questions or shortcuts, but before that you should understand the concepts first. Then only you can identify the logics within the questions and solve the question within the time frame. Thank you very much. In this session of CSAT PYQs, we will solve the previous year's questions. We will try to see there what are the successive steps. We will see that how it is solved subjectively so that you understand it properly. So this was all for the today's. One question in one video will be discussed. Thank you very much.